Most people think they're executing, but if I ran a system audit on you right now, you would fail. And the crazy part, you wouldn't even know why. You don't believe me? Run this quick 10-second test. Ask yourself, what did you execute on yesterday? Would anyone feel it if you disappeared today? If you vanished, would anything collapse? If you hesitated, if you had to think about it, you're already being replaced. You're running on a system glitch, and glitched systems, they don't get repaired. They get deleted. Debug or delete. Fix it or fade. Let me ask you this. You ever walk into a room and suddenly forget why you're there? Like you walked in with purpose. You knew there was something to do. But the second you got there, blank. That's not forgetfulness. That is a system glitch. Your mind is filled with corrupted files, old habits running in the background, fear-based programming dictating your moves, hesitation codes written before you even had a say. Just like a haunted house, you think you're in control, but something else is pulling the strings. You either debug it or you stay stuck in a house you didn't build and you definitely do not own. Glitch or growth? Pick one. Let me also put it to you like this. You don't hesitate because you're lazy. You hesitate because your system is corrupted. You don't procrastinate because you lack motivation. You procrastinate because you were programmed to wait. Everything you struggle with was handed to you, installed in you, programmed into you. Your beliefs handed down, your limits pre-installed, your fears uploaded before you even spoke your first words. The worst part, here you are. You think you're making choices, but your system is choosing for you. The glitch is running you. And if you don't debug it, you'll be deleted by default. Now, by all means, you can sit there and wait for another error message, a life thing that just keeps happening. You can pretend the system isn't broken, or you can fix it right now. Because here's the uncooked raw truth. No one is coming to patch the bug. No one is rewriting your code for you. No one is stopping the system from replacing you. You either debug, strip out the corrupted files, and reprogram your execution, or you delete. Sit in the same cycle until the system decides you're no longer necessary. If you don't run it, you get replaced. If you're ready to run your system debug, let's lock in. I'm going to drop the debug process in the comments. Run it, and run it now. No hesitations, no delays. Watch this twice. Let it burn into your system, but whatever you do, don't ignore the glitch, because a glitch left unchecked, that becomes a terminal error. Debug or delete, fix or fade. You either run the system or the system runs you. Change your mind, change your life. I am who I say I am. Do you and stay rich.